Hey, Jackie here, thanks for watching this video. And today's video I want to take a look at the following question. And it's a question that comes up a lot. How can I make money from home without experience? Now there's a lot of opportunities out there, and with that comes a lot of scams as well. So if you want to make money online without any experience, you need to understand the difference, and you need to know that most opportunities that people share that they can make money with, you can make money with as well. The important thing is to understand what a scam is. You need to know that what is very difficult to do or very risky. For example, trading is very risky to start and not recommended, especially if you uh, don't have any experience. And then in the crypto MLM space or network marketing space, there's a lot of scams as well, especially when it comes to when everybody put their money into one pool and they offer you a lot of returns. That is something to stay away from as well. Now, the best thing, in my opinion, the best thing or opportunities is to start with a system. Use a system that can help you, that offers you training if you have a Facebook group, and a system that is very simple to use. Or if you just want to join a program after you did your research, but stick with the program. Don't go join a lot of programs one after the other. Don't fall for the shiny object syndrome sort of a illness, if you will. I don't know. But stay away from that. Don't join a bunch of every new program that you see. So that's important to understand if you don't have any experience. Stay away from that. Choose a program that you like and then join it and learn step by step by following instructions. It's important to understand that you need to follow instructions. Listen to what the people say that are successful. Just follow in their footsteps, and you should be fine. Now, what I recommend and what I do is I joined a free system, and what cool is about this system, and I'm going to share it with you, is it helps me to build my email list, which is your most important and biggest asset. Your email list is where somebody add their name and email to get something in return, um, or and you then can build a database of emails, and you can follow up with those emails and send people information, introduce them to new opportunities, or just build trust to, and then for share the opportunity that you're with or the system that you're with, and build trust and until they eventually join join you in that system or program. Now, the system that I joined is called MLM Lead Pro. It's a free system. There's no upgrades, nothing. It helps you step by step to set everything up. And the cool thing about the system is there is opportunities within the system that's already been researched, tested, and you know for sure that it's not a scam, right? This has been added by the owner, and he looked through everything to make sure that the members can join an opportunity that is safe and that you can be part of long term, and offers you more training to get you going and to help you to be successful. Now, MLM Lead Pro force 5 steps, and the cool thing is you don't have to join the opportunities that you don't want to. Okay, you can simply use MLM Lead Pro as is as well, and you can just follow the steps, follow the training, and it will show you exactly what email platform we use. For example, we use LeadSleep, and it's also a free platform. Now, the LeadSleep is where gonna you're gonna set it up with MLM Lead Pro, and that's where you collect your emails or your email list, and you build your email list with LeadSleep. Right, so you have these 5 steps, and you can join these opportunities if you want. And the cool thing is, obviously, as a beginner, you will not have your own opportunities yet, so you could just simply join these opportunities in the beginning and use them as is because they're so good. Obviously, on a later stage, you can um, uh, change step 2 and step 3 and add your own opportunities. You can also add your own programs here on the left. You can add even more opportunities if you do have. But yeah, the most important thing to answer the question is start with a simple system like this that offers you all the training, that's got all the opportunities ready for you to go, that works, that's safe, it's not a scam, and you can just be part of it. And it takes you step by step exactly what to do, how to set everything up. You have your extra training videos here as well. You have your Blueprint Wizard, a quick step-by-step setup to unlock your income streams and traffic. And everything is here. All the videos, all the training is here to get you started and to get you going. And the most important thing to understand as a beginner and a newbie is to never give up. Do not lose focus on what you have to do, and that is to build your email list. The cool thing about MLM Lead Pro as well, you'll see through the training and the setup, you'll get a whole bunch of email follow-ups that you can set up within LeadSleep, and for you, so that everything gets automated. So it's all there for you to use and to be successful with MLM Lead Pro. So it's a very cool system. It's free to use, and everything is there ready for you to succeed. And all you need to do is focus on one thing, and that's to promote. And you get your own pages as well, lead capture pages. That's where the person or your possible lead or prospect and enter their name and email. So that's all set up for you as well. Let me just quickly show you here. If I click on it, you get it, all these emails ready to go, or all these opt-in pages, and you can search for it. You can open the library, look what you like. You can edit it even, make a few changes. So that's super cool. So there's a lot of value that you get with MLM Lead Pro without paying a cent for it. So I highly recommend as a beginner to start off with a free program or a free system like MLM Lead Pro that's got all the programs in there for you to use, that's been tried and tested and works, and will help you to start earn over time. So yeah, if you want to learn more about MLM Lead Pro, take a look in the description, click on the link, and join for free and start with the training, and let's get you set up. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.